Hey everybody, welcome to this new video, and this is a fun little problem I want to show you guys. It's a mate in 8, checkmate in 8. This is the position, quite funny position, and I just found this to be a cute little problem, not that difficult. It's just about seeing the idea, and then it's pretty straightforward. So I'm sure that all of you guys can figure this out if you think a little bit outside the box, maybe just a little bit, not too much, and then you can figure this out. So stop the video right now and try to solve this. All right, so it's really about seeing the first move, more or less, okay? And the first move is castle, and this is the point. The king brings itself in position here. Now black only has one move, he has to take the pawn, and what happens now is that the rook comes to d8, and one after the other, all the black pawns, all the white pawns, excuse me, are taken. But in the end, after we had this elevator right here from black from a8 to a1, then finally he is checkmated here by rook to a3. So cute little problem I want to show you guys, really about seeing this idea. First of all, considering that you can still castle if it's not, if there's no reason not to, and then to see, okay, I can always force the king to come one down. Actually, as a little side note, you might think that this is not a legal position that could originate in a game, but it has been proven that this is in fact possible. Even though, yeah, this is indeed hard to imagine, right? Oh well, I think I'll post the link to the proof in the description, unless I mess this up and confuse something, but I'm pretty sure this could happen in a game. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.